welcome back to my vegan kitchen. I've got a super simple and delicious recipe for you today, made in the rice cooker.
Woo!
So whatever kind of a rice cooker you've got, I've got a Zojirushi. Even if you have just like an aroma, whatever, you know, just like a basic one. It doesn't have to be the one that has like a million things that it does, like make cakes and blah blah. You just need to know how to make rice in a rice cooker. So I'm doing 4 cups of rice today. I would recommend doing this in increments of 2. So like if you want to do this, it's 2 cups of rice per tomato.
What are you making?
Did I even say what I was making? I'm making the most delicious, succulent tomato rice. It's so simple. It's just like making plain rice, except it's more delicious. So in my rice cooker, I'm doing 4 cups today. I'm doing basmati. I tried this the other day with some arborio. It turned out really good and very starchy and gluey. I love starchy, gluey rice, but this one's not going to be as starchy and gluey because it's a medium grain rice. So I've got my 4 cups of basmati. To that, I'm going to add avocado oil. I would normally add olive oil, but I'm all out. So I'm just going to add probably about 2 tablespoons. If you're oil free, you don't even have to add the oil. I like a little oil in my rice when I'm making it like a dish like this. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of Himalayan sea salt. If you're salt free, don't add the salt. If you think it's too salty, just reduce the salt. If you really are like a deer and you like a salt lick, put a lot of salt. See how I'm going here in the 2 cup thing? If you're just doing the 2 cups, you're going to be doing 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of the oil. I'm going to also add a lot of pepper because I like pepper and it gives a lot of great flavor, especially in this dish. I'm estimating that I'm probably going to end up doing about between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. I didn't always like this rice cooker. The first week or so that I had it, I was like, oh, this makes terrible rice. And I realized that I wasn't following the directions. So people always ask me, do you like that rice cooker? And I have the same one and I don't like it. I have a feeling that they weren't following the directions when they asked me that. But I like it a whole lot better now that I figured out how to use it. So, like I said, 4 cups. So in the rice cooker, you can see it's got these lines with the with numbers on them. So for 4 cups, you would fill the water up to the number 4. I always did my old dad's method of 4 cups of rice, 8 cups of water. It doesn't work like that in a rice cooker. So I'm going to fill it up to the appropriate line. Say that fast 10 times. I bet you can't. And make sure you're doing this, another tip, on a level surface, because if you don't, it's not going to be on the right level. That's just at 4. Alright, now here's the secret ingredient. 2 ripe tomatoes. Just like this. So for every 2 cups of rice, 1 tomato. So since we're doubling it, that's why we've got 2. So all you have to do is just...
Are you serious?
Stick it in there like that. That's right. Now we're going to take it over to the rice cooker. Bye! It's already on white rice, so we're just going to hit start. And we're going to come back when it's done. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like when it's all done. You just want to go in with your rice paddle and break up the tomato. And just keep giving it a stir. Keep working it until the tomato is all incorporated into the rice. And we'll be back in a second then. Maddie's going to give it a taste. We'll see what she thinks. Alright, there we go. It's all mixed up. Maddie's ready to taste the molten lava.
Am I?
Blow on it really well.
I just got like a steaming treatment.
Oh, did you?
From this rice.
Okay.
Alright, I'm scared because it looks really hot.
Alright, blow on it well.
Mmm.
What do you think?
Tomatoey.
Right?
Good.
It's very savory.
It's got like a subtle.
Right.
It's not like overbearing. You know?
It's better than plain white rice, but maybe not as good as like a rice pilaf. But it's little something
like if you
something.
want to take your rice to the next level, but you don't want to make like a heavy rice dish. You know? That's good. And that was so easy. I can't believe you just freaking plopped those tomatoes in there like that.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And we'll be coming up with more customizations because you could also add different vegetables. I'm really excited to maybe try adding some mushrooms or
it's kind of
asparagus.
like what's that called when you put like fruit in water?
It'll
come to me after we turn off the camera.
Absolutely. I hope you infusion.
Yes.
All right.
It's like you're infusing.
This is tomato and fruit infused rice. So I hope you guys give it a shot. Thumbs up for more videos like this. Subscribe for more as well. And until next time, much love.